Hello, everyone, and welcome to a brand new episode of our the podcast. Today with us, एक है जानी मानी हस्ती टीवी की चहीती, the our very own Nitya Bhatia. Hi, Nitya. What's up?
Who, me? Me? Hi.
Hello.
So,
I mean, look at you, looking like a star already. So no comments.
thank you.
To the audience who
So
cannot,
I
yeah.
am compensating for looking like a complete wreck on the day I was actually interviewed on DD News. Yeah, guys, let that sink in. And I guess that is why I'm dressed relatively better today because that was so unexpected
No,
and
what's this
ironic
is
also.
actually ironic and unexpected. But what I was expecting was that was, I thought I would make the first. I would debut, on TV first before you. Maybe on Big Boss, or for some crime I might commit.
Yeah, Big
And
Boss is believable.
न्यूज में आ जाऊंगा
Yeah.
उसमें. So I thought I would be the one doing this. अपना नाम रोशन करेंगे इस podcast का.
So yeah, so what happened was that it was like 7:30 a.m. in the morning. My mom is part of the colony RWA WhatsApp group, and this uncle messaged saying he's like, "Oh, my niece works for DD News, and she wants to interview a few people who have really beautiful terrace gardens. She's doing a segment on urban gardening during the pandemic. So anyone who's interested, please share your numbers and everything." So my mom was like sprung with joy because we have a plant business, so we obviously have so many plants in our terrace and everything, and we maintain it really well. So mom's like, yeah, like she could totally welcome to our house and everything. Obviously he never mentioned when she'll come, so that was just like half an hour later she turned up with the cameraman and the crew, and my mom was like, yeah, I'll be like giving this interview and just open the door when they come, and that's your job. And I'm like, yeah, fine, I'll open the door and go back to sleep. And I went, and they came, and all of a sudden, like, I got chatting with her, and she got so excited and inspired that, oh, at this age you're managing a small business, that's so nice, youth of the country. And she's like, you know what, we'll do the English part of the interview with you and the Hindi part of the interview with your mom. And I was like in this half asleep state, like literally got off the bed, went and met them. She's like, yeah, she's like, you know what, we could leave in 10 minutes, so we have to do it now, like we have to go live now, record it. So from my bedroom I went straight to the terrace garden looking like the way I was, plain Jane, and like totally unapologetic about that, and went there and gave the interview. And and Manas had his thoughts about how I was engaging with my plants, which he did not approve of very visibly. So,
Um, so those of you are like कि मानस क्या बोल रहा है क्या नहीं बोल रहा है. Okay, first of all, if anyone wants to check out the video, it's in the description. We'll leave the link of the that segment. In
you cannot miss it for the world.
Yeah, it'll be in the description box or in the show notes. And the reason I was making fun of her was, aside from a wardrobe that which you'll see, if you want
Hmm.
to, I would not recommend. Just save your time and data and your life.
It was my
Time is precious.
Tarun Tehliani nightwear collection. So
Yeah,
please go and
sure.
have a look.
And then so she was like, so she told me that cameraman was like, "Ki please engage with the plants." The funny thing is,
He's like, look like you're kind of being like, spending time with your plants and engaging with them. And what do
is
you expect me to do? Like, Jackie, like, I'm supposed to go and hug a tree or like caress the leaves or something.
the funny
So I
thing
was
was
just
that
like walking with them.
neither this person nor the channel is getting engagement. So the engagement they were asking for was from the plant, and the engagement she gave for the segment was, "अरे wow, green leaves. इसमें भी green leaves. अरे देखो ये भी please just say see it for yourself."
Okay, you can seriously do better than that. I was like, Arey wah, green leaves. I mean, you didn't even hear what I was saying.
They
It drama dekho.
Yeah, so that was
Yeah.
that. Please save your time. Do
Yeah.
not waste your time. Just
Pramod?
okay. So this let's just talk about the main topic of the episode, and that is, are you real on Instagram or not, Nitya? Instagram or like social media in general. Like I know you are boring, but are you real?
Am I? See, the very fact that you're admitting I'm boring, first of all, I'm
I'm
as
not
realistic
admitting.
as one can
I'm
get.
stating. Admit like you have to admit. I'm just stating.
Yeah, so fine. It might seem boring to you, but I'm like pretty like what you see is what you get. I only put images and like posts which totally resonate with me. And yeah, so I mean, as exciting I want to make this. I wish I had a very exciting answer, but I don't, because I don't try to, as much as possible, I don't fake it on social media. So yeah, I mean, like like what I am in real life, I'm also in the real life. Do you get it? Real and real. So
Amazing. Very funny. Very funny. Now.
I know I just made this joke. Creativity. So yeah, I mean, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. And
And ये तो बोल मत ठीक है, like this is just a straight up lie, कुछ नहीं बिकता है ठीक है.
हाँ, बस दिखता है, लेकिन जो दिखता है वो सच है.
30
और
व्यूअर्स है.
सच के आगे
ऐसे अगर 30 व्यूअर्स
कुछ
है
नहीं.
अगर कुछ बिकता है ना तो हमारे 30 से 31 व्यूअर्स होते हैं ठीक है.
मतलब सच, हाँ, तो सच नहीं बिक रहा. सच सच से हमें अब झूठ बोलना पड़ेगा
इतना
टीआरपी के लिए,
इतना
कि
रो
व्यूज
पीट
बढ़ जाए.
इतने रो पीट के तो 52 सब्सक्राइबर्स हुए हैं. इस
गाइस,
स्टार में हूँ.
सच की जगह कहाँ है? सच को आप सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे.
Yeah, as you can see,
That's
she's boring there and here as well. So let me talk about myself.
yeah,
um,
and about how fake, how you fake it on social media, please tell us.
See, I'm not fake. I'm not saying like I try to be real, but people don't accept that. So I was thinking about
See,
it.
I don't care about how people perceive me on social media. So like,
You
I still
should.
keep it real, no matter how boring people find me. That's like not my problem.
Maybe you should. I'm just saying. Yeah. So like talking about me and like how I feel. See, I try to be real now. Like I'm totally real, but not exactly. I'll tell you what. So like how I so once I bought a book because Kritika was like, I asked like, oh, I want to start reading, and she was like, you know what, you should buy India After Gandhi. I heard it's an amazing book. I was like, wow, maybe after reading this, I will be one of those intellectual people who can
Yeah, it is a
live,
pretty amazing book.
as you can see, boring. So I got it, and it's this big. It's quite thick, and I was like, कि मैं तो पढ़ने नहीं वाला. इसमें ना तो exciting images हैं. So I was like, I'm not going to use it. So I was like, can't use it as anything. So I use it in a picture. I put it next to my Starbucks and I clicked a picture and I pretended that I read the book, which I never did and nobody did. And it's like just collecting the dust right now. So aside from that, I try to be
I
pretty real.
cannot even imagine, like leave it India After Gandhi. I can't even imagine you
Don't
holding a book,
imagine
like
it.
the gesture of
No,
किताब लेके पढ़ रहा है. I
we know you cannot
Manas,
imagine.
I
We
can't imagine you reading a
we have
book.
seen your Instagram. You don't have. We know you cannot imagine. Now that is how you do it.
Yeah. Now that is how you feel that you can kind of create this sapiosexual persona around you, but
I
yeah, you can't do that.
this I'm not going to go into why I don't like this word, but ठीक है जो भी है. So
Sapios.
and aside from that, I am pretty fake on my food account. So like if you literally see the comments
Look
I
at him
leave,
taking pride.
no, no,
मैं ना इस पे बहुत फेक
एक
हूँ.
सेकंड एक सेकंड मैं बताता हूँ क्यों. See, I try to be really real on the not real. I try to be real under my like caption.
You're very realistic about how fake you are on social media,
Gigi,
and I absolutely applaud you for that.
thanks, Gigi. Let me
Yeah.
complete, please. So
Yeah.
I'm real, as in I try to leave real captions, how I feel, depressing. People don't leave any sort of comment under that, so I have to like a little, fake it a little. And so no, sometimes I fake it as in sometimes I say, oh my god, I just had this cake. When I had this cake a year back, because I always bank my post and I post them after a year, so people think I'm having it right now. When I'm not having it, I'm just crying and I'm seeking just validation because I'm feeling really low, so I post that. So that is that. Aside from that, I leave really fake comments. Like I swear to god, no one can leave more fake comments than I do on other people's comment, other people's post. For instance, they will post random as roti sabji and all that paneer. I'll be like, oh my god, this is my soul food. This is what I want right now. Delicious, amazing, home cook, homemade food rocks. Oh my god, this
Your comments are the most fake real comments I've ever received on
they'll
on
put
on various social media platforms.
they'll post some shitty marble cake. I'll be like, oh my god, this is better than this is piece of art. I so wish I could make it. When in fact I can make it and I do not want to make it because that is not art. That is shut. I'm sorry. Oh my god. I think I have summoned a ghost and we are going to calm our energy.
I think you've offended some
Oh,
souls from the
okay. I
afterlife.
think I think it just left. I just left. Oh, okay. Yeah, back to the hate. So I try to say, oh my god, delicious, amazing post, guys. So mouth watering. Oh, I so wish I could
Lip
have it.
smacking.
Oh, lip smacking, delicious. Drooling. Oh, right now, I so wish I could grab that. Kachori. जो कचौरी एक तो घर की कचौरी ना इतनी पूरी जैसी स्टफ पूरी होती है बेसिकली ठीक है आई सो विश आई कुड जस्ट grab it through my phone. So craving it right now. Nothing. None of that. And funny thing is I smile and mouth the entire thing when I'm typing. I'm like, amazing, delicious. I'm not I'm feeling anything. So like I'm fake in that sense.
But but I guess the only positive thing about your fake comments on Instagram is that it might bring a smile to somebody's face, even if you don't genuinely feel it,
I do
and
not
in
care.
fact you feel that
I do not
their
care.
content is absolute shit, but you still make the effort to comment,
Listen,
even
I
though you
I
don't
do
feel
not
that way.
care. As long as they're reciprocating the same shit on my post, I'm completely fine. अगर नहीं
Ah,
करते then
that
भाड़
is
में जाए.
why.
I have gone to the extent then if somebody doesn't do the same, I keep a track of everything. I go back on their profile and delete every comment and engagement I've given them. Petty
Shamelessly
101.
petty. Oh,
Yeah, so I'm very aside from that, I'm very, very real on social media. So yeah. Okay, let me ask you.
which is
Yeah.
basically never. Yeah. Okay.
नहीं नहीं I'm very real. Like if you read my post, I try to be, but aside from that, कभी कभी करना पड़ता है. It's part of the game. So yeah.
Mm.
Tell me, have you ever altered or distorted the reality? Like कुछ Photoshop वगैरह कुछ किया है?
No, I first of all,
Obviously,
I
you have
would,
not. We have seen your profile. If you could do
yeah,
that,
you've seen my
half
profile.
of
It's so real. I mean, like whatever I am is in front of you, and also, you might find it boring, but at least it's real. And also, I will not put the effort of using Photoshop just to upload some of my pictures because A, I'm lazy, and B,
unskilled.
like B, I actually do not. I mean, I'm not skilled with Photoshop. I'm not really good with Photoshop. So that's also a reason why. And people will anyway think what they want to. So I mean, do you ever think about it that see either you put an edited picture and people know you've edited it, or and they'll judge you thinking kitty fake hai, or you put a real picture anyway and people will be like hi iske phone dekhe. And I would prefer the latter because at least this is what it is,
See, I
and you're
see. I
commenting over how realistic my image is, so
See,
that's
I'll be very
fine,
honest.
that's
See,
okay.
see, if you edit, see, I have a rule, ठीक है, that I've noticed like people talk
You
about.
photoshop your images, right? Don't you, like when you put them on your page, when you're on
No,
your
no,
feed,
I'll tell you to what extent. Like,
because you're pretty familiar with Photoshop and you use it a lot.
yeah, I can spot if somebody has edited the picture anyway, and it's very easy to
Yeah,
spot it. So for
yeah.
like I know extensively about it. So for instance,
Hmm.
I used to Photoshop a lot, like not the distorting my face, my body, or something like that. I would try to, I have done that, a couple of times to just make myself a little taller, but that does not hurt anybody. Okay. Thing is, people know that how tall I am, like how do I look. See, right now this is my face, right, and I'm not like hiding anything aside from this, just a double chin ना दिखे. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, सुनता नहीं है तो थोड़ा ऐसे रख, इसलिए ऐसे रखना पड़ता है. नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं
So
है.
basically, Photoshop सीख गए, लेकिन you will still prefer spondylitis and sit in strange angles so that people don't get
Let
to
me
know you have a
so let
double
me come to
chin.
that point.
Photoshop did not work over here.
नहीं नहीं so I used to add see India में ना the thing is a lot of the background, like if you go out and you take picture of anything, the sky is quite gray or overexposed. It's not the pretty blue color that you see in the picture. So I have added the sky, made it really look really realistic. मैं ऐसे नहीं करता क्या होता है कि दिख रहा है क्या होता है, it's very obvious. Like my work cannot be too obvious. I have added a lot of
Yeah,
birds.
it's like
कबूतर
realistic
उड़ रहे
fake.
हैं,
Nice.
दिल्ली छेक
Yeah,
क्या
yeah.
बोलते हैं कबूतर उड़ रहे हैं, बट इट्स नॉट द रियलिटी. वहाँ पे कोई कबूतर चिड़िया कुछ भी नहीं थी. All are dead thanks to the technology and 5G towers. I'm just kidding. Okay,
Wow,
so क्या बोल रहा था
so
मैं?
sensitive.
Yeah, so like I've added the sky and all that. But once, like when I was learning about like how to Photoshop, skin, and how to use it to your advantage, dodge, burn, and all those tools. Like I realized that contouring that people do with makeup, which Kim
Hmm.
Kardashian got really famous for, and Kylie used it as an excuse कि उसका lips नकली है, उसमें कुछ बड़ा नहीं है, it's just a overlined lips, so I learned that how important, how good, like shadows and lights can be, how can it be used. So I have given myself a jawline. And I will proudly display the picture here. थोड़ा इधर खिसक,
Yeah, I
थोड़ा
think
इधर
I think
खिसक,
one thing
नित्ता,
you've done. I think
नित्ता, 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 थोड़ा इधर
यहाँ
खिसक,
से.
नहीं, थोड़ा different, opposite direction, yeah. As you can see, before and after. So I have done that, and I did it. See, I'm very open about everything. I really don't care. So I have given myself a job. ऐसा नहीं था क्या होता कि मैं बहुत ही मेजर चीजें दे दी सो पीपल वो देखें तो कहा अरे यार इसकी तो जॉ वी शेप की ऐसी है ही नहीं, नॉट टू दैट एक्सटेंट आई
Yeah,
कीप
I
इट।
mean the closest I can come. I mean the closest I can say I come to like not being completely raw is like I do use Instagram filters. So I guess that is the closest I
You
come
should
to
not.
not showing
You should
my
not.
image.
This is a
Yeah, like I
profession.
I I
This is
I
the professional
admit.
advice. Please do not.
Sorry, we don't give advice on this podcast.
So to you, I can.
So no, no, you can't. No, so Insta filters is the closest I come to like showing a part, like part of me, like not showing my like raw skin, or like my,
Nose.
but nose is
Completely
the way it is.
overexposed हो
But
गए. It's just two nostrils and that's it.
uh and if and I mean before he reveals it, I'll share it with you. So on Zoom, you have a feature of like adding your favorite lip shade. So I do put lipstick, guys, but then like lipstick mixed with a bit of burgundy. So I put pink. I put this pink shade mixed with like the filter.
Nice
It
save.
becomes like this burgundy shade. So
Nice
yeah, so
save.
that is. हाँ.
I'm
I तो
pretty
मैं
sure
ही
I'm
पहले
wrong.
बोल देती हूँ.
See, at least yeah, कि in video, I'm showing like how do I look like. I'm not putting any sort of filters, anything.
No, so it's only my lips, but everything else is like the way it is. Like there's nothing else. This is how it is. So I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. That's for you to
It's
decide.
definitely not the latter
But
one.
yeah.
So
So and Insta filters, if you use, very funny. So Insta filters, if you use, you get to know that somebody's used a filter. So even if I use it, it's in front of you. And in Manas's case, you've aced the art of creating a jawline for yourself and for people not realizing that you've faked it because you're so good at it. But you're
listen,
admitting that you've done this, so that's also you're kind of admitting and you're sharing that okay, you've put it out there that okay, I don't really have a jawline, it's just something I've created. So
see, dude, everyone
yeah.
has a jawline. It's just that over that you have meat, and that sort of hides that. So अगर मैं पूरा ऐसे
Yeah.
कर लूँ और खींचूं, so of course you can see that. So like so after doing that, I did it for like I just wanted to see people's not reaction as such. I just wanted to see if people could spot it, and I posted it. Not in a single person could tell that that it was photoshopped, and it was.
Yeah.
And I can very, and when people do it now, I can spot it so easily every single time. Like I have gone to
That's because you've used it so extensively, the software, you're so familiar with it and you can spot it. But I
but
still can't. Like I won't be able to distinguish.
so
And most people won't be.
yeah, so I used to do this before, and एक ही बार किया मैंने, just so you know, like I don't use it now, and I did it just to learn कि how to do, like if अगर worst comes to, अगर कुछ
हाँ
इमरजेंसी हो गया,
हाँ.
एपोकलिप्स आ गया और मेरे को अपनी जॉ लाइन एडिट
सेल्फ लव
करनी है
की
अपने,
कोई इशू नहीं है.
नहीं नहीं, अगर सपोज का प्रलय आ गई, एपोकलिप्स आ गया, एंड आई हैव
हाँ.
टू लाइक सेव माई सेल्फ एंड आई हैव
हाँ.
टू एडिट अ जॉ लाइन, आई हैव टू,
Yeah.
अदरवाइज मौत और जिंदगी का सवाल है, तब तो उस टाइम करना पड़ेगा।
मौत और जिंदगी के बीच में सिर्फ
So
तुम्हारा जॉ लाइन है.
yeah,
That's
at
the
least
only thing that
that's,
counts.
and that's
Make
drawing
it
the line.
count.
That's drawing the line
Yeah.
between the maut and the zindagi. Yeah, so aside
Guys,
from,
I'm going to be so realistic. I said about my lip shade. You guys can see. It's not even. Can you see? Is it coming on my hand?
just
Sometimes the lip color just comes on my hand. It looks so weird when I like just like have juice. Oh, see,
uh
can you see? Can you see the lip color
please don't do
changing?
that. It's sort of like haunting. Just keep it that way. I
Okay, fine.
so aside
Yeah,
from that, so and
honest.
the thing is, I do it, and it's not that I'm selling a fake image. People know how I look like in real life, but like when celebrities do that, I sort of like it's distasteful because they are selling a false image which is not there. Like Kylie Jenner, like I used to like her, like like how she marketed her entire personality, and you start selling on a.
But she never responded to any of your DMs. So now you just
I
mentioned it.
am not Diljit Singh. I don't do that. I'm not fan of Kylie as such. Kardashians, yes. Jenners, not so much. But thing is, होता है कि people try to sell a fake image, and when they're not even using that, so they're like, oh, we are like fit tea or something. When you're getting so sort of all sorts of treatments to get a flat stomach, but you're not getting that from drinking fit tea. That's a laxative. So on that thing, I draw a line and I unfollow them. But aside from that, I don't do that anymore. I now do real life editing. So if I have to, I try to make myself a little tall, so I know my angles, how to pose, how to look a little taller. I know. So if somebody is like Arjun that was with us before the starting of the season, I
Hi,
think
Arjun.
so thing is with you, I could do that अपनी jaw पूरी ऊपर तक जब तक ऐसे ना लगे कि हम किसी ने खींच रखा है मेरे को, तब तक जब तक दिखे ना ये line, तब तक I can do that, without looking too awkward. But with him, he's a 6 foot tall guy, उससे भी बड़ा है, ठीक है, उसके साथ मैं कितना लंबा दिख सकता हूँ. So we try to cut off.
So
We ne-
now you just don't hang out with people who make you look ugly. You only
we
hang out
cut
with
them
people
off.
who have no sense of self confidence and have a low self esteem.
You.
Yay,
So yeah, aside from that,
you.
I keep it pretty real. I don't. अब ऐसा हो गया क्या होता है कि I try to just I just play with these settings and colors and all that on color Lightroom, and that's it. I don't actually use any of that Photoshop as such. I have the knowledge. Knowledge is power, but I don't use it.
Wow,
That's it.
so unfiltered.
Like my brain, I do have it. Don't use it. Tell me one thing. You being real. Tell me about your
Hmm.
followers to like ratio. How is it? Like, how are people responding to it? जो बिकता है
I
दिख
think every,
दिखता है?
I think every, I think
Apparently not.
every content. Well, that is a rhetorical question. I think every content creator feels their work is undervalued. Followers to likes ratios, I mean, I honestly feel that first of all, Instagram algorithms, you just don't understand them. The other day, one of the reels I created for my poetry page got some 7,000 views, and I was elated. And the next day and the next day I created a reel in which I spent like almost 1.5 hours recording, which got some 300 views. So that was just so disheartening because I'm like, इसपे मैंने 15 minute लगाए, and the next मैं like spent an hour. I'm like पूरा उसका पेज को ऐसे फोल्ड करके कैलीग्राफी करके multiple shots लेके उसको join करके. So I think like I keep telling myself that do not take it personally, because algorithms are so inconsistent. And first of all, I mean, I feel that the worth of your content cannot be measured by the number of likes and subscribers you get, because if you're doing it for validation, I feel sometimes we end up diluting the quality of our content or what really resonates with us because we're trying to get accepted, or just for the likes. And then when you start doing it for that versus what you enjoy creating, then that just sucks all the joy out of it. And then I see, you enter a public platform like Instagram, Facebook, or wherever you go, digital platforms may, it is so competitive. You'll always feel inadequate, you'll always feel your content is not good enough, because somebody's content will always be better, somebody will always have better equipment, somebody will always have the money to afford promotions. So it's like, it's like a jar that's always half empty. So that's
Speaking
why
of
I
that,
keep,
yeah.
yeah.
So
so
speaking of
so
that, like what you're
doesn't that also make you feel the same way about your food account?
dude,
We
like
talk
for
about that so many
yeah, so like
times.
like you have told that you spend like an hour on that reel, 1.5 hour. I
Yeah,
spend
yeah.
almost 2 to 3 hours on every post that I create on my food
I
account. I'm not
know.
even.
Now you tend to like make more food versus order, which is really nice. That's even more effort than just taking pictures of the food you've ordered.
So the thing is, I used to, what do you call it? Like I used to order food, but now I make everything. Like, and that I have not even started posting that on the food account. It'll come, late in the 8 months, because there's so much of content, bank, in the bank.
Yeah.
But that happens, and it sort of, you start feeling bad about it. So with food account, I have sort of made, I try to, try to make peace with it, that people are not going to like it. जो नहीं करेंगे. Because initially I started, along with a lot of people with the same followers, with the same, sort of, content. Not same sort of content, I had better content. But but yeah, वो ना, they're posting रोड साइड, क्या होता था ना, क्या होता है, नॉट इवन रोड साइड, घर के
Chole bhature,
हाँ,
pav
like
bhaji.
every other post is just pav bhaji, and I'm like posting something different with, making it more enticing. वो क्या होता है, so for some reason they are getting now, 200K, and I'm still at, 11, 1200, not 1200, 1144 something, and I'm still stuck at that, like even after 2 years. And you do sort of, start putting, you start,
Self,
putting
like
self,
second guessing yourself and self doubting.
yeah, you start putting your self-worth,
Yeah.
and you start associating your worth with the work that you're putting, and how
Yeah.
people are responding to that. Initially it was just
That's true.
because, I like food, and I would take pictures, and I thought people are getting sick of it on my personal profile. So I thought, what, I'll start posting on a different page. And then, people, when they don't respond, and when you don't grow, you sort of, you feel like, am I lacking something? And forget about that. With our podcast, I have, both of us combined, we have at least 50 people that we're close to, right? And when those people, like we're not making money out of anything, neither food
Yeah.
account, nor your poetry account, nor this podcast. But still,
Hmm.
when you don't see sort of results and numbers attached to that, like 50 anyone who starts a YouTube channel, they get 100 subscribers just like that. Subscribing doesn't hurt
Hmm.
at all. People just like the video without
Yeah.
even watching it. But when you don't do that, you start sort of, attaching your self-worth with the content you're putting out, and you think, oh my god, people don't even, like, they have not even subscribed. Like, we just, 52 people just subscribed, and before that, people would get like 100 subscribers even without content. So I was like, why would people not even do that? Why would people not even, like it? I am not, see, content, I get
Hmm.
it. Like, people, of course, no one is going to sit through the 30 minutes of cheese. We might not be somebody's cup of tea. 30 minutes is out of your, your time, is quite precious. So
Yeah.
I'm very thankful to anyone who's watching our content. But you do sort of think, yeah, at least like kar do, just share it on the
Yeah,
platform.
you were just saying na Manas, you were just saying about ki, like between the two of us, you would at least have 50 close people who support the work we create. I mean, I think even more than that. Like if I look at my contact list, I will have around 500 contacts. Now out of those 500 people, I can comfortably say I have 100 people who I personally know and I message, a few times in a month. And out of those 100 people, at least 35 to 40 people would belong to my extended family and extended family. So the thing is that, like you said, 30 minutes is, I know, a lot of time to
Sit
spend.
through.
And yeah, sit through somebody's podcast, because yeah, you are busy, you're working, and like not like doing
See,
a
we
creating a
might not be
podcast.
somebody's cup of tea. I agree with that.
Yeah, exactly. But I'm just saying that, if you really want to support us, like I remember when I initially shared the link, a lot of people were like, "Oh, good wishes, so proud of you, amazing, so nice," and I told them was to subscribe. Like you don't even have to watch it. You just all you have to do is press the subscribe button, which will actually end up supporting us more than your good wishes or just, oh, we're so proud of you, beta. Because how much does it take? It's just a button. So yeah, like I've faced that, we faced that,
And the thing is,
and
it's
we've
not
gone
about
through
that we're
that.
going to make money out of it. It's not going to be our
Yeah,
career for sure. It's not. It's just a side hobby that sort of, it's a good outlet for us. That's all. I just
yeah,
want to
yeah.
speak. I just want to have my voice out there, and that's why we are doing it. Otherwise, it's not that we are not getting money until we don't get like at least 1,000 subscribers. We're not going to get money. We have to cover
Yeah.
so much of watch
We
hours,
have a long way to go.
way long, and ये अगर 10 season भी कर
Yeah.
लेंगे ना, maybe तब भी नहीं होगा. And so like people sort of like assume, and like then that's the thing, right? So like you start associating your self worth कि क्यों कोई like नहीं कर रहा, मुझे कोई like नहीं करता, इसलिए मैं. So like I have like sort of, coming to terms with that. that and I'm making a piece कि ठीक है यार जो भी है नहीं करते नहीं करते. But
Hmm.
these things do matter कि कई वो कोई चीज़ like नहीं करे. Like why are you following me if you can't even just check out that, like supporting
Yeah.
something, paid support करना, or just like liking it. So
And
it's
that kind of stays the back of your mind, even though you're like, so it doesn't matter who doesn't and who does. But then that thought does come that I know this person so well. Like you personally know that person. You're like, isne bhi nahi kiya. And then that kind of, somewhere it kind
yeah,
of
it does.
subconsciously
It
it
does.
does
It does.
affect you.
Like when you
Yeah.
post it, close friends or family, and then they're like, "Acha, acha, you're still doing it," and you're like, "Yeah, अब तो बाहर we are connected."
Yeah. I shared like the link with you every week.
But like it does, see
So
now, like I of course I now I've come to terms with that, so मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But what
yeah.
I've learned out of this experience is that first of all, it's not कि college जो like I'm not going to be on social media forever. I have made my mind. It's not that कि I will completely go off grid, but I will just
Mm,
not, I will just post it for sake of posting it because I like it without seeing anyone's numbers or and seeing anyone's content. If I want to just say, if I want to, I'll still create podcasts if I want to. I'll still
yeah.
cook on the weekends because I like it. I'll still make cakes. I'll still make all those dishes and everything. I'll just post it. That's it. I will not
Yeah,
do.
we'll just do it for the love of creating it versus what responses we are getting.
And especially after getting to know that not just people who sort of betray us, not betray us, itni badi cheez nahi hai, nahi like ya nahi kiya, it's fine. But when platform starts punishing you because you're not getting the clicks they want, and they don't push your content forward even though people have subscribed to you or follow you, then it's sort of, you're like, even you, the platform is not helping you, then you're like, ठीक है, you know what, I'm not
Yeah.
going to get you any money either because I am the product they are selling us to the advertise. I'm like, ठीक है, ले ले मजे. I'm not
That's
going to.
how that's what they even said. I remember in Social Dilemma, the Netflix documentary that
So I,
that when you use an app for free and you're like, oh my god, this app is for free, that's because you are the product, and your privacy is anyway compromised.
like, can I say something?
So
Like, we're talking
yeah.
about app. I hate Google from Google right now, even though we're putting it out there on the YouTube.
Uh,
मैंने कहा गूगल लूट ले मुझे जितना लूटना है ऑफ ऑल माय टेक ऑल माय डेटा यूज इट जितना मॉर्फ करना है, यू मेक माय डबल क्लोन व्हाट आई डू
सब ले ले
ठीक है,
खोखला कर दे.
ठीक है, यूज ऑल माय
हाँ.
इंफॉर्मेशन एंड देन गूगल डिड इट आफ्टर एक्सप्लॉइटिंग में, दे लाइक अब हमने निचोड़ लिया सब कुछ निचोड़ना था, नाउ यू स्टार्ट पेइंग 100 रुपीज
अब
एवरी
चल यहाँ
मंथ
से.
for storage. I'm like, what's now? So now, yeah, Google, you did not do good to me. So I will take
That
revenge.
is real betrayal. Betrayal
But
is not a big word anymore.
so yeah, so
आंसू आते हैं.
and the reason
रेजम पीएमएसिंग ऐसे चीजों से आंसू आ भी सकते हैं.
I'm serious. मैं सोचे कल that the moment I want कि after like certain episodes हमारे after this things end, I just want our viewership to just go to zero so I can start using YouTube as a storage and I can start uploading my personal content here. Not even joking.
Wow, I think you're asking for the wrong things.
But yeah, like I now like
Zero viewership.
but yeah, now it doesn't matter. Like I'll post when like after a certain time. I will. अभी तो यार करना पड़ रहा है पता है. Like just to reach more people, just to let them know कि that we are posting a new content, क्या होता है, new episode is out and all this and that. But after that, like after a certain period, I'm not going to be on social media like as active as I am.
I think like that everyone needs a digital detox once in a while, just to kind of unwind and get some time with themselves, because it can really otherwise drive you crazy. It takes you like an overdrive,
Dude,
because I know
uh,
how many videos that you're editing and then creating promos, and the because we are a two-man army, so everything is between the two of us, and bulk of the load is on Manas. So yeah, I mean, there is no third person who is managing this podcast.
no, so like that's why like I really don't care now. अब ठीक है जो है सो है. I will not be on
Yeah.
Instagram and everything. I will not let these companies sell my
Are
information.
you like saying this time after time, so people like, हाय ये जा रहा है, चलो उसको
Dude, nahi,
सब्सक्राइब
nahi,
ही कर
nahi.
लेते
No,
हैं.
no, just so you know, like I did it. Like in the past, I used to do it. मैं जा रहा हूँ यहाँ से, and then after 2 days, of course, I'm an addict. Or so I'm like, I come back, and then people are like, hey, क्या हुआ? तू जा रहा था? So now I'm like, I might go,
गए नहीं.
and उससे भी asterisk होता है, like terms and conditions apply. So I might leave, but I will not leave completely.
Oh. So you says you're still gonna stay. God, yeah. अब थोड़ा भाव खा लेता बोलते कि I'm just going. Like let's see who misses me. No one.
No,
So
I don't do
yeah.
that anymore. I know nobody will miss me, so I don't do that experiment anymore. Like I've done this. I used to like
Yeah,
quit groups.
I had
Dude,
similar. I
I used to quit WhatsApp groups. I like my friend personally. मैं कहता था भाई मेरा मूड खराब
oh
है. My friends and I'd be like कि कौन मुझे पहले याद करेगा, कौन देखेगा, and then they stopped giving zero, uh, care, and then,
shits.
yeah, and then I
Yeah.
realized कि guys I miss you, please add me back. I've realized not to do that. It's not good.
आ गया
Do not
वापस.
announce. Do not
Yeah,
announce. I'm self-aware.
no,
I
no, no,
know I'm
no.
a Love Ka Insaan.
I had similar feelings about this podcast. I remember I was like, you know what, let's just go wild, let's just disappear on our viewers. And they'd be like, what happened? Did they fall out or something? Did something happen? Next episode kab aayega? Because like last, after the mental health episode, there were 4 or 5 people who messaged me saying, we look forward to the next episode. And I'm like, unko kaisa lagega? And I'm like, kisko kya lagega? Kya
मेरे तो
hone
एक्स
wala hai?
मेरे को तो किसी ने टेक्स्ट नहीं किया. एक दो लोगों ने बस टेक्स्ट साइड होकर पूछा, सो आर यू रियली हैविंग दोज आइडियाज राइट नाउ. And I was like, are you anticipating? Do you want me to? Like,
दिस
ऐसा.
इज गेटिंग गाय मतलब कि मानस की ठीक है पॉडकास्ट जैसा भी है एटलीस्ट कुछ तो लाइक डू समथिंग एक्साइटिंग इन योर लाइफ सो दैट एड्स सम वैल्यू टू आवर लाइफ
Yeah.
is like make it more exciting. And I mean social media reminds me that sometimes you post certain things which you regret later on. Like have you ever like embarrassing things?
Because I have not done this enough throughout the episode. मैं सब कुछ expose कर दूँ, but you know what? Let's just end this episode because we are ranting too much and we are going in a different direction, and I do not want to digress and you lose our shit on the podcast in front of our 30 viewers. So let's just do it. Most embarrassing stuff. You go first, then I because मेरा मेरे को पता है कि मेरा happening होगा ज़्यादा.
हाँ तेरा happening होगा because your life is a lot more animated on social media and you just tend to like mess up more. I'm just like I don't know normal
Boring,
kind of
boring.
maybe
Yeah, boring,
maybe.
boring. No, it's
so
definitely boring.
so noise. So I think there are two instances. I mean, yeah, usually I kind of really think through because I guess I'm a writer, so I'm also programmed to read before posting and read as in like for me grammatical mistakes are like one of my big pet peeves. I should not even one and the if that gets messed up, then I'm like, oh, how could this happen? So I usually like always read something before I post it, be it written by me or by somebody else, because I don't like to just blindly forward things which are not verified or I do not personally believe in. But yeah, twice has happened. No, one thing that still continues to happen is comments, and I think that's made me completely shameless, especially after Orbata podcast. And Manas has really inspired me to actually, I think multiple accounts on Instagram are so that you can have multiple personalities when you're commenting on a certain post. So with every account, I actually try to think of unique comments which will make me look like a different entity or different person when I'm commenting either for the podcast or a different post that looks like the post is getting a lot of engagement and comments from different people, and until your illusion is broken and you click on each profile and it's like, oh, it's Manas, oh, it's Manas again, it's Nitya again. So
See,
yeah, that is something I
you know what?
do which is like really embarrassing.
This is not embarrassing. I'll tell you what. So I saw a post that people are like, "Ki, I want to be like Kylie Jenner because she has all her companies commenting on every single picture of her, like Kylie Skin, Kylie Baby, whatever,
Yeah.
जो भी आ रहा है, Kylie Cosmetics." And I was like, कि, wait, I have multiple accounts like my personalities, so I use every one of them to engage. Food account, private account, another
Yeah.
private account, personal account, and then Orbita, like like
You don't
cross.
discriminate at all.
So like I guess year before this, or in 2018 or something, it was New Year, like about to be New Year and New Year's Eve, and I was talking with Simmer, and पता नहीं क्या हुआ, like we started talking about दूध, milk, and all of a sudden he was like, पता नहीं क्या, he said कि we get packet वाला दूध, and I was like कि we have a दूध वाला भैया, so we get straight from the source, and I was like being really, so I was like, you know what, packet वाला दूध तो हमें सूट ही नहीं करता because it tastes a little salty, and he's like, what?
I can just imagine how how desperate and sad your life would be to discuss milk on New Year's Eve.
can you shut up? See, we have established that I have MPD, I have issues. अभी इतना से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता, ठीक है?
And
It's
what's
sad on.
worse is the people who are engaging in their conversation with you on New
So
Year's Eve.
so we were like discussing about that, and he was like कि and he's like नहीं, दूध normal होता है, सारे दूध एक जैसे होते हैं. And I was like नहीं नहीं, दूध थोड़ा नमकीन होता
सारे दूध एक जैसे.
है. And then I posted on my story on Instagram asking people, hey guys, do you find packet wala doodh, not milk, packet wala doodh a little salty than the normal doodh wala bhaiya wala doodh? As if I'm an influencer and people actually care about it. If people would have done that, we would have more subscribers and viewers. But anyway, that is embarrassing. That is ultra embarrassing. And I realized it after 15 minutes, but people have already seen it. And after that, people were like, posting fireworks. They were posting drinking shots in the party and 3, 2, 1, countdown videos on their stories. And I'm like,
Terrible
"Bhaiya,"
timing. Maybe you
and I,
should tag Amul and Mother Dairy also on your
and I'm
story.
like, कि दूध में नमकीन होता है नहीं होता है? That is what I'm asking. So yeah, that just sums up entire thing. So guys,
Wow.
let's just not embarrassing ourselves anymore, and let's end the episode right now, right here. So guys,
Yes.
please try to forget our
So
episode.
guys, if you
Please try to forget our episode.
so please try to forget it. And you know what? Jokes apart, if you're one of those underappreciated artists or content creators who feel that you put so much of effort and time, maybe you should think about why you're still doing that. Or
Just quit it. Call it quits. Life में बहुत सारी चीजें हैं to quit,
or
and
no,
just
no,
just
no,
just start right now.
or just keep going,
Call it
or
quits.
just keep going and believe in your dreams that one day it will bear
It
fruit
will
because you
it
put your
it
heart
will
into
they
it.
will break. They will break. Just believe that they will break.
Don't
Give up
listen to
already.
this guy.
Give up already.
Yeah.
There's nothing in life. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye guys.
लाइफ में कुछ नहीं है, छोड़ दो.
God, he's not gone.